Hi, my name is Jamie Scriven, and I'm the Cabinet Member for Economy, Regeneration, Leisure and Tourism at Merthyr Tydfil County Borough Council. I've been a councillor since 2022, and I'm the Ward Member for the Pendarren Ward. I'm also very proud to hold the role as the Mental Health Champion for the Council, where most notably I work closely with Signposted Cymru, taking on challenges such as the Everest Base Camp Challenge, and all this to raise money and support the delivery of vital mental health services. I've always lived in the Galnack Pendarren area with my family, and I've volunteered in the community since I was 11 years old, when I became one of the first youth mayors of Merthyr Tydfil. Within my area of responsibility, we cover economic development, physical regeneration, tourism and destination management, employability services, housing and homelessness, leisure services, and the development and external funding management and evaluation. Such a wide portfolio can be overwhelming for people to understand, so I just want to give you a taste of what goes into the work that I do. Town centre regeneration is a key priority for me, and we've recently welcomed a number of independent businesses to the High Street, and we are working on the development of our new indoor market. We're also discussing opportunities within this for our nighttime economy. And as you can see behind me, Cyfarfod Castle, which is a key asset, and we have an amazing team of staff that is situated there. Now, we'd like to work closely with the Cyfarfod Foundation as a priority so we can do all that we can to secure funding grants to help bring this building back to its former glory as the jewel in Merthyr's crown. I want to ensure we are maintaining and looking after our heritage and developing the local area to meet modern day standards. And you may have noticed the work has started on the Aelod Cabinet Bridge, the development of the lower High Street and public transport access. I want Merthyr Tydfil to be a destination hotspot. This means events, food markets and promoting our key excursions and attractions. We are uniquely placed on the Heads of the Valleys Road, and I want us to stand out as a significant location that's worth visiting. This will also mean providing unique opportunities for leisure. We currently have Aelod delivering our leisure services, and I also work with local sports clubs, whether that's for improvements to facilities, the development of new 3G pitches, or the launch of our new skate park. It's important to me to give people in Merthyr Tydfil the support to be the best they can be and ensure that everyone is provided a safe space to live. There are always opportunities available at the Campus Community Hub for training courses and programmes, and the Town Centre Hub is key in signposting people, playing a big part in our response to homelessness. In terms of external funding, the UK Government's Shared Prosperity Fund, or SPF, has invested 27 million in Merthyr Tydfil. That's providing opportunities for people to start up businesses, upskill individuals and support community projects, as well as a series of tourism grants. For me, I took the opportunity to stand as a local councillor because I've always wanted to help my community and do what I can to improve it. My role means so much to me to be able to give back to that community and the people who live here and make a difference to their lives. Whilst I don't have a magic wand, my goal is to do the best I can alongside my colleagues to make Merthyr Tydfil a place to be proud of.